Okay, so today what I want to do is just go over that campaign that we did. This was 3 weeks ago now. Now, I would have gone through this a bit earlier, but I did have Toy Fair last week, and that usually takes a good week out of me, and I had to have a bit of a rest. So we're into it now anyway. So that was the campaign we did, the 5%. Now, you can go back and have a look at that video if you like. That was where we did the full 5% for 2 weeks. And then 2 weeks later, I showed you what happened. Now, this video, we want to work out, did it keep going? Did the sales keep going? Or did they plateau? Or did they just drop off altogether? Okay, so this is the first time I've sat down and had a look at this because I've just got back. So we're going to go through it and have a look. Okay, so we're in our seller hub there, right? Now we go into orders. And we've got, so we wanted to go, well, hang on, we need to find out when we finished that. So let's go into campaigns. There, campaigns, go. Okay, so there's our 5% store-wide sale that we did for the 2 weeks, remember? And we got, on the 14th, we ended, okay? Now, remember we did $1,000 on that? Total sale, oh, there you go, total sales were $1,300. And then I think we had another $500 because of just little extras that eBay picked up for me while the promotion was on. So 14 to the 5th. So let's go to what we've sold from. Let's go custom, and we're going to go from the 15th of April because that was the day after, and we're going to go to right now. So that actually is exactly 3 weeks. So let's see what 3 weeks paid out. Okay, and there. Oh shit! Sorry, three and a half grand nearly. So 35 sales, $3,407. Actually, that kind of surprises me because I thought once the promotion ended, it would pretty much drop off, but it hasn't. So 3,400. That's a fair chunk of change to get while the store's not even promoted. So let's see what we actually got out of it. Well, there's yesterday, the 6th, that's today. So there's a $200 sale there, and then we've got some 40s, some 50s, 20s, 25s, 20s, 25s, 17s. So relatively small sales there. We've got a $60 Star Wars figure there. Now this is all pretty good considering there was no promotion on this, so no extra percentage of I paid to eBay because of this. So the sales have kept going. Now I'm interested to see when they slowed down or did they just keep going. So we'll get to that in a second. There's a $200 sale there, and $340 for that Sideshow James Bond. So I think I've sold all of them. I did a video on the James Bond figures when I found them, and I think they've pretty much all sold. That's all right. So what else have we got? The Terminator 2 figures. There you go. There's another $400. That's nice. There's a $59 sale there. There's another action figure. That's good. Oh, look, the Golden Books of Masters of the Universe sold. $76. Quite happy with that. I probably paid, you know what, they were probably in a collection, so to me they cost nothing. So yeah, there's a big sale. There's a $530 sale of those figures that I picked up. You can go back and have a look at my other videos. I picked up about 170 12-inch action figures not so long ago, and I've been trying to move those. I've done different videos, so you can go and have a look at those. Oh, there's the Alias sets sold. Now, I've had that on there for years, that set, but it just finally sold, $100. That's nice. There's a Van Helsing, another one of those 12 inches. Now, this was a good sale. This Matchbox complete set of figures of Thunderbirds, I've had those on there for a good 8 months. Okay, so I finally sold them, and $400. Okay, I think I had them on for $450. Now, this is interesting too, guys. I did have, I think, 3 offers on that particular thing, but they were all around the $300 mark, and I started getting messages abusing me that they were too dear, and I looked them up and I went, well, at $550, I'm actually cheaper than anybody else. So those guys that were abusing me for not taking their $300 offer, well, I'm sorry, but it did sell. So there you go. So it sold at $400. You could have had it, and I think I actually offered them for $350, but they just ignored me like normal. So that's another thing too, guys. If you want to make deals with me, you can contact me on Facebook, Tim Fisher, and I will do deals with you if you talk to me nicely and you communicate with me like I'm a normal human being. I will help you. If I can help you out with stuff, I will help you. Okay, same as Toy Fair. The Toy Fair we were at the other day, and I gave some guys some tremendous deals because they came up to me and they said, can we do something better on this? And if I can, I will. And they talk to me like I'm a nice, human being polite, being nice. Oh, but then you got other drongos that come up and they ask you, and if you can't do it, you go, oh no, sorry, I can't do that, man. And then they get the huff and puff and storm off, and you don't need to do that. Just talk to me. I'll help you out. Okay, we're having fun here with toys, and I want to rehome toys as well. So don't be a sook if I can't do something for you, because then it puts me off dealing with you in the future. Let's see here. Oh, we had a He-Man there. Okay, so pretty good sales after that promotion ended. Now let's see when it all happened. Let's go. I'm going last month. Last month was $4,600. We had to take the $1,500 we made out of that. So there's $3,000 there. But we go just this month, and we're down to $323 in a week. So sales have dropped a little bit. So it seems like for a week after the promotion ended, we got some good chunky sales in there. And then the next week it dropped down to 323. Then we go last week. There we go. We've gone down to 171. Okay, so yeah. So that's where I'm looking at. So was the promotion worth it? Yes. But I wouldn't do it all the time. I would do what I did. I'd put the 5% on, let it run for 2 weeks, and then have 2 weeks off and see what happens. And then once sales start dropping down, which it does look like they are now, we can go and do another sale. But try the 3%, guys. You don't have to do 5%. I just did that for the purpose of the video and to show you, okay? I do know guys that do 9%, but you've got to have some bloody good profit margins in your sales, in your items, to be able to do a 9%. And I don't think it's really viable. 5%, we did really well off that. We did good off that 5%, okay? We did the first initial $1,300, then we stopped the promotion, and then we've done an extra $3,500. Okay, so within the month, we're at $4,000. So that's good. That's really good for some, and that's good for me because I put hardly any effort into eBay now. Okay, if you guys sit there and take what I do one day, and you do it for 5 days, you will absolutely kill it. And if you want to talk to me, if you want to ask me any questions, I will get back to you. I'm not going to charge you any bloody money to talk to me, okay? I want you guys to succeed as I have. All right. And if you didn't watch that video of how to do the promotion, the campaign, I'll put it right up here now. So, boom, there we go. There it is. Bump, 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 bump. Click on that. Go and have a look. Watch how I did it. And thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you're killing it on eBay, and I'll see you later.